separately Raju and Raju's father. Okay, so Raju's father. Okay, so Raju and Raju's father. First we have to know that Raju age I don't know. I'll simply keep X. Sir, we can keep only X only, sir? No, we can keep any variable. Okay students, so Raju age will be X, means Raju's father age 3 times of Raju's age plus 2 years more. That means 2 years more then the 3 times of, okay, that means 3 times of Raju's age. So what is the current age of Raju? X. So 3 times means 3 into X, and then plus 2 years more. So 2 plus 2 years more mean we have to write this kind of. So 3 into X, I will write 3X plus 2. Okay, if Raju age is X, means Raju's father age will be 3X plus 2. Can you understand? Okay, so shall we go to the next one? Okay, next one, what is that situation, what is that variable, and what is that statements using expression? Okay, first one, here how did, see, for example, next one, how old will Sushan be 5 years from now? How old will Sushan, how old will Sushan, okay, be 5 years from now? Be 5 years from now. Okay, can you understand the question? How old will Sushan will be 5 years from now? For example, I will say one example. You are all studying 6th standard. Approximately your age will be around 10 years, 11 years, or maybe 12 years also. Okay, what will be your age after 5 years? Can you understand my question? What will be your age when you are crossed 5 years? Okay, so that means you have to count plus 5, right? For example, if your current age is 13, then 5 years after your age will be 13 plus 5, 18. Same way here, see here, first one Sushan. Okay, Sushan present age, Sushan age 5 years after. So 5 years after Sushan age. Okay, so first one Sushan. So Sushan age is, if I have taken X. Okay students, Sushan age is X years old. Now X years, I have taken X years now. So that means if I have take 2020, okay, so 2020 he will be X years old. Okay, that means what is his age after 5 years? That means 2025. Okay, so that means 5 years, okay, in between 5 years. So 5 years after, what will be the Sushan age will be? That means we have to add plus 5 with the current age of Sushan. That means X plus 5. Can you understand? So the Sushan age when he 5 years old, 5 years after 5 years, he will be X plus 5 years old. Okay, so can you understand students? So we will solve some exercise problem. So based on this kind of only they will give some problems. Okay, so this is called normal expression. We have to convert into practical expression. Okay, so in the normal line we will write, okay, for example, if they gave X plus 5 one expression, means write in terms of normal statement. That means we can write it different manner. Okay, so we will see that exercise problem. Okay students, we are going to see that exercise 11.4. okay, so we are going to analyze the problem which is present in exercise 11.4. okay, so could you read the first problem? Can you please read? Okay, so page number 235. Can you read the problem? Okay, one student is reading now. Okay, so imagine, so take Sarita's present age to be Y years. The question given condition is take Sarita's present age to be Y years. What will be her age 5 years from now? This is the first question. And notice that second question, what was her age 3 years back? And what is the third question? Sarita's grandfather is 6 times her age. What is the age of her grandfather? And grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. Okay, 2 years younger than grandfather. What is grandmother's age? Okay, so first one we have to analyze that the given condition. First one, take Sarita's present age to be Y years. Okay, so first we have to take, okay, so problem number 1, I will write problem number 1. First one, the person name. Okay, what was the person name? So person name, okay, the person name is Sarita. Okay, first one, Sarita. So Sarita's present age will be Y years. So Sarita's present age, what will be the Sarita's present age? So present age is Y years. Okay, so I will write Y years. Y years. So Y is the variable we have taken or they mentioned. Okay, so what's the question? First question we will solve. What will be her age 5 years from now? Okay, so 5 years from now. First one we have to write present age. Okay, present age 5 years after. Okay, 5 years from now. So 5 years from now. First one we have to write present age. So what is the present age of Sarita? So present age is Y years old. So 5 years from now. 5 years from now means we have to put plus 5. What's the current age of Sarita? That we have to put. So Y plus 5. So the answer is Y plus 5. Can you understand? Okay. So the second case. Okay. What is that second case? So second case, what was her age 3 years back? Okay. So 3 years back. Okay. So 3 years back, what was her age? Now you have to know that what is the current age of Sarita. Okay, Sarita's current age and 3 years back. So remember that 3 years back. 3 years back means what you have to do. For example, I will ask one question. Now your current age is 13 years old. So 3 years back, what is your age? That means, for example, now 2020. So in 2020, your age is 13 years old. In 2017, what was your age? Okay, so you can write 10 years old. Am I right? Okay, anyway, here I have taken Sarita age, present age will be Y. So 3 years back. So 3 years back. Back means we have to put minus. Okay, more means we have to put plus. So 3 years back. So 3 years back means minus 3. So what is the current age of Sarita? That is Y. So we have to write Y minus 3. Okay, so the Y minus 3 is the correct answer. Okay, next one, third problem. Sarita's grandfather age is 6 times her age. First one, Sarita. Okay, so Sarita and Sarita grandfather. Okay, Sarita grandfather. Okay, so Sarita grandfather. Okay, so what is that? Sarita current age will be Y years old. Sarita's grandfather will be 6 times more. So 6 times means we have to multiple. Okay, so times, they gave one number and then they use the word times means we have to multiple with that number. So Sarita's present age will be Y years now, but her grandfather is 6 times more than the Sarita. That means 6 into Y, 6Y. Okay, 6Y. So 6Y, that means that is the Sarita's grandfather age, 6Y. Okay, so now the last question is Sarita's father age is, okay, Sarita's father age is 5 years more than 3 times of Sarita's age. Okay, fourth question I left. Okay, fourth question I will see. Okay, we will see that fourth question. Grandmother is 2 years younger than grandfather. So what is that grandmother age? So grandfather age, what is the grandfather age? 6y. So what is the grandmother age? So grandmother age, grandmother age is 2 years less than the grandfather. Okay, so grandfather age 6y. 6y, so 2 year less means 6y minus 2. So 6y minus 2 is the grandmother age. Okay, so now the last question, that means first question last part is Sarita's father age is 5 years more than 3 times of Sarita age. So first you have to write Sarita, okay, Sarita and Sarita father, okay, Sarita's father. Okay, so what they given, Sarita age we have taken y, okay, it's a variable y, and Sarita's father age is 5 years more. So 5 years more mean we have to put plus 5 at the end. Okay, and more than 5 years more than 3 times of Sarita age. So 3 times of Sarita age. So 3 times of, what is the Sarita age present age? Y. So we have to write y. So 3 into y plus 5. Can you understand? Sarita's present age y. Sarita's father age will be 3 times of Sarita's age plus 5 years old. That means 5 years more than 3 times of Sarita's age. So Sarita age we know. So 3 into y, and 5 years more means 3y plus 5. Okay, am I right? Okay, students. So this kind of only we have to solve the problem. So I will solve one more problem and then I will give some homeworks. Okay, so first one in that B. So B problem. The length of the rectangular hall is 4 meter less than the 3 times of breadth of the hall. See, first whenever you have to see this kind of problem, you have to read the statement twice. First, what they given, the length of the rectangular hall. First one, rectangle we have to write. This is that rectangle. Okay, first what they given, the length of the rectangular hall is 4 meter less than 3 times of the breadth of the hall. Okay, 3 times of breadth of the hall. Okay, and what is the length, and if the breadth is b meter we can take. Okay, if the breadth is b meter means what is that length they asked. Okay, so again I will read the question. The length of rectangular hall is 4 meter less than 3 times of breadth of the hall. So first you have to write, so we can take first to b. So b means breadth. Okay, so breadth, length what they given. So first line, the length of the rectangular hall is 4 meter less. So 4 meter less, so length should be, see, L equal to 4 meter less. Okay students, actually that if the breadth is, they mentioned b. Okay, so breadth is b means what they given, length is 4 less. Okay, so what they given, so length is 4 meter less than 3 times of breadth. So 3 times of breadth, what is your breadth value? B. So that you have to write first, b you have to put. So how much time they said? 3 times, so 3 into b. So 3b minus 4. So your length value should be 3b minus 4. So I will explain again. If you understand the problem, you can solve it very easily. Don't get confused. First, each one line you have to get the information. First one, the length of the rectangular hall is 4 meter less. So 4 meter less means, less is the keyword of subtraction. So minus 4 you have to put, and 3 times of the breadth of the hall. So minus 4, 3 times of breadth. So breadth they mentioned b. So 3 into b, 3b. So 3b minus 4, which is equal to length equal to 3b minus 4. So your length value should be 3b minus 4. Okay. So the C, D and E, that problem you can work out. Okay, so anyway, so if you have doubt means I will solve in that next session. Okay, so C problem, you have to take that rectangular box. So rectangular box means I'll say that how to solve that. I'll say the clue. Okay, so rectangular box. Okay, first you have to know that, so rectangular box is a three-dimensional space. Okay, so three-dimensional shape, so this kind of only it will be there. Okay, okay students. Okay, so this kind of only it will be present. So in the C, what they given, the rectangular box has height of 8 centimeter. So height means this is the height. So height 8 centimeter. Okay, so this is the length. Okay, so this is the breadth. Okay, so length, breadth. Okay, so what they given, the rectangular box height is 8 centimeter and its length is 5 times the height and its breadth is 10 centimeter less than the length. So what you have to do, first you have to solve what is the length, and then from the length you found, no, from that you can find breadth. Okay, so this kind of only we can express. Okay students, can you understand? Okay, so in the 11.4 the remaining problems we will see in that next session, upcoming session. Anyway, I will give that homework problem. So the homework problem is C. Okay, that problem you can do. Okay, so that part C. Okay, that alone you can do that homework. Okay, so 11.4 C problem C, that's the homework. Okay, okay students, so this is the end of the today's session. So I will summarize that which are the things so far we covered. Okay, so the relation with variable, without variable, how to consider, that means how can we consider in the day-to-day life activities. Okay, so these things we have discussed today. So anyway, in the next class we will see some more problems in that particular exercise, and the next concept also we will see. Okay, so thank you students. So thank you, stay healthy, be safe. Thank you.